So if you want to pin a comment on Instagram, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is load up Instagram and you want to sign into your account. Once you've done this, you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then you want to select a post that you want to pin a comment to. Once you're on that post, you want to go to the comment section, and from here you want to find a comment you want to pin. Once you've found the comment, you want to swipe to the left a little bit and it will give you a selection menu, and you'll see a pin icon. You want to select that. If it's your first time pinning a comment, it will come up with a box telling you more about pinned comments. But once the comment has been pinned, it will be taken to the top of the comment section and it will say it's been pinned just underneath the comment. Now you can pin up to 3 comments at once, so if I do another example here, you notice that comment has been brought to the top and it also says pinned as well. If you want to unpin a comment, all you need to do is the same thing in reverse and the comment will go back to its original place. And that is all you need to do to pin a comment on Instagram. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.